Hi everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault. Welcome back to my channel. I am in the studio today and I received a box from one of my Canadian suppliers. They're called Voyageur Soaps. They sell soap and candle supplies and cosmetic making supplies. And I had to reorder some items last time that I visited their website. And I noticed that they now sell incense supplies. And I've been wanting to make incense for such a long time, and none of my Canadian suppliers, well, not to my knowledge, none of them were selling this type of product. So of course I had to add some to my cart. This is not a sponsored video, but I thought it would be fun to unbox with you guys and show you what they carry. Right. Here's their card, Voyageur Soap and Candle Supplies. There's also some of my other items from my order sitting in there because I ordered some packaging for for a custom order. So I got an incense holder, of course. I was not really sure if I wanted to go with the little like cones or if I wanted to go with sticks. So I decided to get both, and look at that. That's very cool. So here are the incense stick. They are unscented. They are ready to be soaked. And I have this dipropylene glycol, which is what you use to infuse your fragrance oils with the incense stick. And then, as I showed you before, I have this little incense holder so that I can burn my incense on it. And here we have the little cones, and they do offer, oops, whoops, it ran away. They do offer these, I believe, in black and brown, and same for the sticks. I saw them in different colors on their website. What do you think is best? Do you prefer black or neutral like that? I'm not sure. So I guess once I have done tests, I will order more, but I wanted to start with the smallest amount just to test how this all works. I have a whole bunch of these bottles that I saved. These are my isopropyl alcohol bottles, also that I get from Voyageur. So I carefully cut the top off because I want to use this as a soaking container for my incense sticks. And what we're going to do is we're going to combine the dipropylene glycol with the fragrance oil. Today I chose Palo Sant by Muddy Soap Co. It smells so good, and that's the fragrance I wanted to start with for these incense sticks. So let's start mixing our ingredients. Hoopla. Okay. So I will mix quite a bit because we need enough to soak everything all the way up. Voila, I just mix until everything looks uniform, and I'm gonna pour some of this here. And I think I have enough room in this container to soak 300 of the sticks, so we'll try that. I got all 300 of my incense stick in there, and now I'm gonna keep filling by gently pouring on the side. These will need to soak in the mixture for about 24 hours. So once they are soaked enough, I will be back to remove them and let them drip. For the natural unscented incense cones, I decided to do a blend of essential oils. I am using lavender and sage because they are nice, relaxing, soothing for the mind, and they are some of my personal favorites blended together. Perfect. I think this is as much as I can fit in there. So I will cover both of my incense container until tomorrow, and then we will be back to drain them. These have been soaking for 24 hours, and I did press these so that the liquid would go up every couple of hours. So now I'm just gonna pull them out, and I'm gonna save my base so that I can scent more sticks with it. And I've prepared this stainless steel container to catch the drips. So I will let these drip in there for 24 hours, and then I will lay them out flat to keep drying for a couple days. I will do the same thing with my cones. So I will pass them through a strainer to catch the scent and the dipropylene glycol to save it for another batch. And let these drip until tomorrow, and we will be back for the next part of the process. These have been draining since yesterday, so I'm just gonna lay them out on it's a bakery tray that I lined with just my craft shipping paper, and then some paper towel to keep soaking in all of that extra fragrance or essential oils. I'm gonna spread them out, and I'm gonna let these dry for 2 to 5 days. I'll keep checking them, and whenever they look dry, I will light one up. And voila, that's it for now. The incense cones and sticks have dried. They've been on there for 48 hours. I haven't seen any difference since yesterday. They are dry to the touch. So let's light one up and check out how it performs and if it smells good. Hopefully I let it lit enough. Yeah, it's going. And it definitely smells like Palo Santo. All right, I'm gonna place it right here in my little incense container or holder. Voila. And let's light up a cone. This is very cool. Yeah. I'm gonna place it into this little plate right here and let it do its thing. Is it smoking? Nope. Oops. Ah, voila, now it's lit. I'm gonna place it here and let them do their thing. It was definitely really fun to scent these incense cones and stick. I think, like visually, I think I prefer the sticks, but technically, I think the cones will be easier for me to package. I'm thinking I could place these by the dozen into like a little metal tin, while for these, I think I would probably need a bag or a box. And I haven't seen any custom made ready to go boxes for these. So I'll have to figure out how I want to package them. But I think for now, the cones are gonna be my go-to because they're gonna be easier to package. And eventually, if I find a genius idea for the sticks, I'll let you guys know. For now, maybe I'll just use my shrink wrapping system and package them into little bioleafin pouches. And let me know what other scents you think I should try for the incense. And let me know if you've tried making them before or if you would like to try making them. And if so, well, I will leave you the links on where to get supplies from my Canadian supplier, Voyageur Soap Candle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun watching me create these. Super easy. It takes a little time. You just need patience, but really the steps are super, super easy. Even if you're not like a professional maker, if you just want to buy small amounts and make some for yourself at home, totally possible. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much and see you soon.